Good morning, students. Today we will read lesson 3 of our story book, The Monkey's Justice, means Bandar Ka Nyay. It was the season of winter. Christmas was around the corner. Festivity was in the air. Everyone was enjoying the mood. There was also a lot of food made. In the winter season, everyone was in good mood because Christmas festival was about to come and people were preparing food, sweets because of the festival. Two cats were searching for food together. In a narrow street, one cat spotted a cake and called the other. The second cat ran up and picked the cake in its mouth. Two cats were searching for food in a narrow street. One cat spotted a cake and called other. The second cat came there and picked the cake. दो बिल्लियाँ जो हैं वो खाना ढूंढ रही थी. एक बिल्ली को केक दिखाई दिया. एक नैरो स्ट्रीट में उसको एक केक दिखाई दिया. उसने दूसरी को बताया कि देखो केक, और जो दूसरी बिल्ली है वो भाग के गई और उसने उस केक को उठा लिया. The first cat asked the other to give the cake to her. The other one replied that it was she who picked it. Why should she give it? I was the one who spotted it, said the first one. I was the one who got it, said the other. Both the cats start fighting like this. Now the first cat wanted the cake because she saw the cake first, but the second cat refused to give because she told that she picked the cake first. अब दोनों बिल्लियाँ जो हैं आपस में लड़ने लगी. पहली बिल्ली बोली कि मैंने केक को पहले देखा है, और दूसरी बोली कि मैंने केक को उठाया है. ओके, तो इस तरह से ना बोथ स्टार्ट फाइटिंग. A monkey was watching the two cats fight. He decided to take advantage of the situation. He went to the cats and asked them their problem. The cat explained the whole story to the monkey. One monkey was watching all this. He went there and asked the reason of fighting. The monkey wanted to take the advantage of the situation. The cat explained the whole story. अब एक बंदर जो है वो सभी इनकी फाइट्स देख रहा था. उसने फ़ायदा उठाने का सोचा और वो उन बिल्लियों के पास गया और लड़ाई का रीज़न पूछा. Let me divide the cake in half, said the monkey, and did so. Oh no, one portion is bigger, he said, and bit off the extra part. Oh no, now the other portion is bigger, he said, and ate a bit of the other half. अब जो है बंदर ने कहा कि लाओ मैं केक को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देता हूँ बराबर बराबर. बिल्लियों ने केक उसको दे दिया. अब बंदर ने केक को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया और फिर उसने उन दोनों पीसेस को कंपेयर किया और फिर बोला कि ओह, एक पीस थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया. और ऐसा कह के उसने उस बड़े पीस से एक बाइट खा लिया. फिर वो बोला ओह, अब दूसरा पोर्शन बड़ा हो गया. फिर उसने दूसरे वाले पोर्शन से भी एक बाइट खा लिया और इस तरह से चालाकी से उसने केक को खाना शुरू किया. The monkey kept doing till only a bite of each portion was left. Now they are equal, he said, and handed the pieces to the cat and ran away. And in this way he started eating the cake, and in the last only a bite of each portion was left. He gave that small pieces of the cake to the cats and ran away. और लास्ट में बहुत ही छोटे पीस रह गए तो उसने वो बहुत छोटे पीस से वो दोनों को एक एक दे दिया और वहाँ से भाग गया. सो व्हाट इज़ द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी? थर्ड पर्सन बेनिफिट्स व्हेन टू आर फाइटिंग. यानी कि जब दो लोग लड़ रहे होते हैं तो इसका फ़ायदा कौन उठाता है? तीसरा. और इसमें किसने फ़ायदा उठाया? मॉन्की. एंड if the cats, in spite of fighting, settle their matter peacefully or wisely, they would be able to get big piece of cake. So I hope you like this story. Thank you.